Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox the Litom headlamp, take a close-up look, turn it on and see it shine. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this Litom headlamp has a light output of 100 lumens, has SOS flashing, is equipped with the Cree XP-E LED, and it's also equipped with a red LED and is IPX6 rated. So that's the image of the headlamp on the box. So let's go ahead and open it up. And let's take out the user manual. So it comes with a user manual detailing the specifications and the lighting modes of the headlamp. And on the back side, a little bit more information about the Litom headlamp. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that aside and pop the headlamp out from the box. Okay, so that's the desiccant. Let's put that aside and bubble wrap aside as well. And so what we're looking now is at the headlamp. So as you can see, there is the Litom branding on the actual lamp itself and the headband. So this headband is elastic, as you can see. And there is a size adjustment on the back side or back end of the headlamp. So let me just flip that headband to the correct side. And now let's go ahead and turn it on by pressing on this power button at the top and see if we can turn it on. Okay, it might require some batteries. So let's go ahead and pop it open by popping this clip up and open like that. So as you can see, that is the battery compartment, and it requires just a single AA battery. So let's go ahead and pop one in, which I have here, which is the Amazon Basics, which I've previously recorded in an earlier video. So this is a AA size battery to fit into the Litom headlamp right here, just like that. Popping it in and then snapping it shut, just like that. And it's good to see that there is tilt adjustment over here on the bracket of the headlamp. So you can adjust the lamp's angle when you're wearing it on your head for it to shine either straight in front of you or directly on the ground in front of you, or any orientation in between. And then all the way right back against the bracket. So now let's go ahead and turn it on by pressing on the power button at the top. And it is incredibly bright because it's powered by the Cree LED. And as you're familiar with, Cree produces some really high output LEDs. Okay, let's go ahead and tap the button again to see what else there is that we can discover. So there are different lighting levels. There is a low and a high beam, and that's off obviously. So off, high, and low. And let's see if we can get it to the other modes as well. So there is a red lighting mode or night vision mode to preserve your night vision if you're using it in a really dark surroundings, so your eyes can adjust more easily in between the lamp and the surroundings. Okay, so that's back onto the lamp again. And pressing and holding it goes back to the red. So as you can see, there are 3 lighting levels, including an SOS light. So let's go through it again. High, medium, low, and SOS. So this is the SOS mode. And let's get into the red mode by pressing and holding and then tapping. So for the red mode or red LED, there is flashing and a solid on. So altogether there are 4 white LED modes and 2 red LED modes. So to show you again, so that's high, medium, low, and SOS. And then pressing and holding will bring out the red LED, and that's the solid. And I need to do that in quick succession, just like that. And now it's flashing. So the moment you pause, kind of resets the mode change. So you need to be slightly quick when you're looking for the correct mode. Okay, let's see if I can shine it this way instead, because I usually shine it outwards, but let's go through this way. So this is the high. Let me steady myself here. High, medium, low, and strobe or SOS. And then pressing and holding brings out the red, and quickly pressing again brings out the red flashing. So that's the 6 lighting modes in total for the Litom headlamp. And also, just let me show you just how bright this beam is by panning or tilting the camcorder up onto the wall in front of us. So the wall is a couple of meters away, and you can see the beam or light output of the Litom headlamp with the Cree LED shining up against the wall. So this is in the high beam mode. And let's go ahead and go through the modes again. High, medium, low, strobe or SOS. And then pressing and holding brings out the red right there. But obviously it is quite a low output mode, as it's meant to be, so you can't really see it against the wall. And of course I need to get back into red and then tap in quickly to bring it into the red flashing. And once again, of course, you can't see it up against the wall, but that's the mode that it's in at the moment. So just like that, we've got the 6 lighting modes of the Litom headlamp. So that's the Litom headlamp. Thanks for watching and happy shining!